Have you ever gazed up at those towering skyscrapers or marveled at the sparkling yachts anchored in the harbor and thought, what must it be like to live that life? Here, we're not just peeking through the keyhole, we're swinging open the grand doors into the realm of the ultra-rich. It's a world where the essentials include private jets, yachts, and estates that sprawl out like personal kingdoms. And today, we're not just touring this grandeur, we're unveiling the masterstrokes of how to live and save like a rock star with a net worth to echo that title. Beyond the glitter and glam, what are the real $5 million life hacks that empower the wealthy to not just exist, but thrive within these luxurious confines? How do they strike the perfect chord between living extravagantly and managing their wealth with the precision of a maestro? As we traverse the insider paths treaded by millionaires and billionaires, we'll delve into their strategies for wealth preservation, the fine art of indulgence without frivolity, and the high-octane habits that keep their bank accounts as lush as their lifestyles. Whether it's the adrenaline rush of high-stakes investments or the whisper of a silent auction at an exclusive art gala, the rich navigate these waters with deftness and aplomb. So, if you're ready to be initiated into the secrets of the fiscal elite, keep watching. Trust me, this is one journey where the extravagance of the destination is matched only by the richness of the wisdom gained along the way. If you think the rich throw cash to the wind, think again. It takes savvy moves to maintain that wealth. So buckle up as we reveal how the affluent make smart choices to preserve and enhance their fortunes. First off, it's all about growing assets. For those with a hefty bank balance, it's not just about earning, it's about investing. And I'm not just talking about stocks and bonds. We're delving into the world of art, real estate, and even fine wine. These aren't mere purchases, they're strategic investments. The wealthy often buy pieces by renowned artists or invest in prime real estate locations. These assets don't just add to their status, they appreciate over time, helping to safeguard their wealth against inflation and economic downturns. But what about the rockstar lifestyle? How do they sustain it without going broke? The secret is they rent it. Yes, you heard right. Why own a depreciating asset when you can rent it for a fraction of the price? It's about experiencing the best without the burden of ownership. This way, they get the thrill without the financial kill. Automate savings. Let's talk hacks. One major strategy is to automate savings. Just like us, the rich set aside a portion of their income automatically. But they don't just leave it in a savings account, they allocate it to investments that generate passive income. Now that's music to their ears. This automated diversification is crucial. By spreading their wealth across different assets, they're not putting all their eggs in one basket. It's this kind of smart saving and investing that builds and preserves mega wealth. Education. Education is another vital aspect. The rich invest heavily in their knowledge. Books, courses, seminars, you name it. They understand that to stay ahead, you need to keep learning, be it financial literacy, new technologies, or personal development. You see, for those who command fortunes, the pursuit of knowledge is relentless. They pour resources into expanding their intellectual horizons. Libraries filled with first editions, exclusive online courses, and seminars where thought leaders and moguls rub shoulders. This is where strategies are sharpened and foresight is honed. It's this voracious appetite for learning that keeps the affluent not merely on pace with the world, but often miles ahead. They dissect the latest financial treatise, grapple with emerging technologies, and unravel the nuances of global economies. And let's not forget personal development, a realm where life coaches and elite mentors are as pivotal as portfolio managers. So, whether it's attending a lecture on the future of blockchain or mastering the subtle art of leadership, the elite understand that the mind is the most potent asset. They nurture it, they invest in it, and most importantly, they never assume it has reached its full potential. Taxes. Now on to taxes, everyone's favorite topic, right? Here's where the rock stars of wealth truly shine. They hire top-notch financial advisors to navigate the complex world of tax laws. These experts help them take advantage of legal tax avoidance strategies, ensuring they keep more of their money working for them. It's not about evasion. It's about smart planning. Establishing trusts, charitable donations, and tax-efficient investments are all part of the playbook. Their arsenal. a myriad of legal avenues, trusts that safeguard assets, philanthropic efforts that give back while giving tax breaks, and investments designed not just for profit, but for tax efficiency. This isn't a game of hide and seek with the taxman, it's a chess game, and they're playing to win, keeping their gold within arm's reach while contributing to the causes they care about. Philanthropy. Philanthropy is another key aspect. The wealthy often set up charitable foundations, not just out of the goodness of their hearts, but also to manage their wealth. These charitable moves can offer tax benefits and contribute to a lasting legacy. It's a win-win. They impact society positively while ensuring their wealth is strategically allocated. Let's not forget the network effect. The rich spend considerable time and resources building a network of high-caliber contacts. They attend galas, exclusive clubs, and elite gatherings, not just for the champagne, but for the connections that can lead to lucrative opportunities. So when we talk about how the rich live and save like rock stars, we see that their methods are as multifaceted as their investments. Philanthropy isn't just about writing checks to charities, it's a sophisticated method of wealth management, a testament to the adage that giving indeed can mean receiving. Mindset. Finally, let's address the mindset. The rich live by a growth mindset, constantly pushing the envelope and thinking big. They set ambitious goals and are relentless in their pursuit. This mindset isn't just reserved for business, it permeates their entire lifestyle. They visualize their success, make decisive moves, and never settle for mediocrity. It's this rock star mindset that keeps them at the top of their game. Mediocrity is not in their vocabulary. They don't just set the bar, they are the bar. And it is this unyielding pursuit of excellence, this rock star mindset, that propels them into the stratosphere of success, far beyond the reach of the ordinary. It's a mindset that doesn't know how to hit pause, only play and fast forward. So there you have it. Living and saving like a millionaire isn't just about splashing cash. It's about wise investment, strategic saving, continual learning, astute tax planning, generous philanthropy, valuable networking, and an unstoppable mindset. Adopt these life hacks and who knows, maybe you'll be the next to join the ranks of the financial rock stars. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content and join our growing community.